we've gotten too many complaints about these car shows going on. We can't have you guys hanging out in the lot anymore.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true.
What is up, y'all? It's been a minute. Sorry I haven't uploaded lately. We are getting a lot closer to 1,000 subs, which is awesome. Especially since I work 60 hours a week and I try to do this on the side and as much as I can, as much as possible. So I haven't been doing any videos lately because my last video you kind of seen, I raced that Mustang. That was just fun, just catching a clip on the side. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. And then I did some of those shorts, but those shorts kind of suck. I mean, they really do. They give you like 18 seconds to say what you want. And I tried to explain that I got the fuel system coming for the car, and you know, how do you do that in 18 seconds and thank the people that follow you and everything else? Can't really do it. So I did get the E85 sensor. I got that from G8 only. You know, I can't thank Joe enough for that. Also, I did order the inline aux pump for the car. So we're going to be doing that. That's the DSX aux pump. Basically when the car sees, the way it's set up is basically when the car sees 5 pounds of boost, it's going to kick on that second pump. And that along with my ZL1 pump and the 850cc injectors that are currently in the car, or 82 pound. You know, hopefully we can make some decent power. We can get closer to 700. The car makes 630 right now. If you're new to the channel, let's just go over the car and I'll kind of show you what's up. This is it. This is an 09 G8 GT. Basically, we go over here to the motor because that's the most important part. You know, everybody wants to know. It is an LSA car. It's on 10 pounds of boost. Heads, cam. I've got some head work done. Also, I got a stage 3 BTR cam. Like I said, it's on 10 pounds. You know, obviously, you got the ZL1 lid. They got the Glanzer intake over there. We got the ice box over here. I do have a catch can over there, which needs to be changed out to something that's a little nicer. I don't know if you can tell. It's just old school from DSM days. So, yeah, that's basically everything under here. Not much else done. It is a stock bottom end still. But yeah, as far as everything else, it does have Petters coilovers. Obviously, got the welds. Stock transmission. ZL1 converter. Out back we own the 1150. This is a 28-inch tall Mickey Thompson Street R. That is a bias ply. It does have a 345 rear end in it. We'll kind of go under here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we do have some lower control arms on the car. It does have the solo exhaust, but yeah, that's about it. We got some gauges and stuff in the car. It does have the HSV steering wheel. Can't really see over there, but we do have the paddle shifters on there. Can't see. So yeah, that's it's pretty basic. You know, basic setup. I guess I didn't mention it has the CTSV V2 brakes on the front of it, but most cars, most G8s these days have brake upgrades and things like that done. But I guess the most exciting part, I don't have the 85. You know, I wanted to be on 85 for this, but we're not going to be. So we're going to be stuck at the 630 that the car makes. We're going to go out to an airfield. So I'm going to be up against a bunch of cars that make more power than me. And there's a 20 car max at this field. So like I said, it's an old airstrip. They're going to prep the starting line. It's just a fun race. There's going to be a bunch of people out there. Like I said, there's a few people that I want to race. Trackhawk from my last video, that thing is aggressive as hell, but he had some transfer case issues, and now it's in fully rear-wheel drive. So yeah, so me and him probably get after it, you know, since he doesn't have the all-wheel drive advantage. If you're watching this, Ed, you know that we're probably going to get after it. And there's a couple other people that are probably going to be out there. So I'm just looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to that. Like I said, the DSX aux pump is on the way. That's coming from DSP. That was my fault. I ordered it late. He's getting that out to me, so I should have that next week. And then we'll be putting the car on E85, you know, and see how close we can get. You know, how much more power we can make on this E85. Maybe we can get a couple more degrees of timing out of it. Hopefully the trans cooperates. If it doesn't, then you know what it is. If the motor's not healthy, then I probably won't pulley it. I'll probably focus on building the bottom end in the car, and that just means that the car's going to get a lot more fun. But yeah, I would definitely recommend, if you guys are going to do 85, to buy this kit, because it is, I mean, you get all this stuff. I mean, why would you just buy the sensor and then try to figure out everything else yourself? Just buy the kit. It's like 250 bucks. Support Joe over at G8 Only. He's a badass dude. Like I said, my the DSX aux pump is coming from DSP. That guy really supports me. It's just awesome. I'm a small guy, you know, and I told him, I said I don't have a lot of subscribers or anything else, but I'll definitely put his name and everything that I can. So those guys are on board to help me. Like I said, Joe at G8 Only, he helps a lot of us G8 guys out, the SS guys out, the PPV guys out. I think he's got a couple other things on there, but that guy's awesome. He's great. And then the guy that I was dealing with at DSP, Shay, thank you very much. I'll be waiting for that DSX pump, and thank you for helping me out. Thank you for hooking me up, you know, and just reaching out to me in one of my old videos and seeing what it took to get me that pump. So yeah, we're going to be putting the car on that airstrip this weekend, and hopefully she does well. You know, hopefully she does well. So I just want to thank you guys. We're almost at 1,000 subs, like I said. We're going to keep going with this car. We're not stopping. And then we'll probably put the 327 back in the car. The diff's just sitting down here. I don't know, I'm going to show you guys. It's been sitting here. So it's just chilling down here. That is the 327 diff. That's the one. And most of the boost guys are on that diff, if not stock. I blew my original 320 or my original 292 up, and that's just over in a bin in parts. Also, if you guys own a Camaro and you want a driveline and you watch my channel, I've got a driveline and I've got some rear axles for those cars. So definitely, if you guys want those, you know, hit me up, bang down in the comments, and if you are watching this, dude, comment below, you know, like the video, let me know you like it. Obviously, this is a vlog, you know, I don't have some crazy stuff going on for you guys. I did go out and film a 1300 wheel GTR, just kind of a ride along. We're going to be doing more on that car. Insert clip now. But yeah, we're gonna get back after it. Like I said, I've been waiting on stuff. I work a lot, and obviously the more subscribers we get, you know, it gives me more ambition to get out in the garage or get out in the streets and film some stuff for you guys. And it's not just a V8 channel. This isn't just a G8 channel. I've got a bunch of buddies, you know, a bunch of import guys. We got some truck guys. We got some turbo bike guys. A lot of that footage be coming to you guys. And we got a lot more racing coming up, especially if this airfield thing goes. you guys are going to see a lot more racing. So we do some street stuff, but that stuff's never planned. I don't like it to be planned. It's more spur of the moment. And yeah, I'll capture some footage for you guys on that as well. So keep smashing those goals. It's good to have goals, man. And don't ever give up. You know, I'm having some issues right now at work. You know, and I'm having to like create myself, recreate myself, and just keep motivated to keep pushing forward. And yeah, just keep smashing those goals. Keep smashing that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And like I said, it's Wednesday. This Saturday, we're going to get down at that airfield. Hopefully we'll put some people on the trailer. That's my hope anyway, because that tire hooks on the street, and it's probably going to hook out there. And I'm looking forward to it. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.